Good morning. This is Mike with the National Weather Service in Jackson for your weekly weather briefing this June 21st, 2021. As highlights, I'll talk about our isolated severe storm potential in the northwest this afternoon and evening, and we'll also incur a limited flash flood threat across the northern two-thirds of the area this afternoon and evening. This is all ahead of a cold front that's expected to stall across our southeast by Tuesday and linger into Wednesday and Thursday before returning north. Another cold front is expected on Sunday, and then I'll give a brief tropical update. As far as today goes, we're expecting moisture to pool ahead of an approaching cold front that'll be dropping in from the northwest. This will lead to potential for isolated severe storms, primarily with damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, will be possible during the heat of the day from 2 p.m. into 10 p.m. as the cold front drops into the area. During this same time frame, we could see with some of the storms 1 to 3 inches of rain in a very short amount of time. This will lead to localized flash flooding, and particularly in the low-lying and urban areas. Again, this is this afternoon through tonight and generally across the same area as the severe weather threat. So for today, we're looking for decent rain chances across the area, and this will help hold temperatures below normal. Our normal lows run into the lower 90s, and you can see that we are looking for mid to upper 80s across much of the area today. Tonight, the cold front will be making its way ever so slowly through the county warning area. This will maintain rain chances through the night and generally cooler than normal temperatures in the north. This graphic depicts the widespread rain chances and the cooler than normal temperatures that are expected in the mid 60s in the north, with upper 60s to lower 70s, which are near normal along and ahead of the front. By Tuesday, the front will be across our southern portions. Models differ on how far the front will get before it stalls, but with the cold front still across our southern zones, we're expecting pretty decent rain chances in the south, across the southeast during the afternoon and evening. This graphic depicts what I was talking about, with the best rain chances across our southeast tapering back to lower rain chances the far to the northwest you go. And again, temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s is cooler than normal for this time of year. Wednesday, the cold front is expected to remain stalled across the southern portions of our area. It will be the focus for additional rain chances all the way into Thursday, especially across the southern portions of the area. Thursday into Friday, the stalled cold front is expected to return north as a weak warm front. This will help increase heat across the area from the southwest and may result in heat indices peaking out in the lower 100s. As we get into Sunday and Monday, a second cold front will be dropping in from the northwest, and the models again disagree, but the cold front may stall across our area by Monday. This will increase our rain chances going into the weekend and result in cooler than normal temperatures as well. When it's all said and done, we're looking for a decent amount of rain this week across the area. This graphic depicts more than 3 inches across the north and lower amounts across the central portions of our area. Depending on where the cold front actually stalls across the southeast, we could see a little bit more rainfall depicted across our southeast than what's actually depicted in the graphic. As far as a brief tropical outlook for the next 5 days, we see the redevelopment of Claudette. Claudette is expected to move back into the Atlantic and will pose no additional threats to our region. There is a tropical wave just to the east of the Windward Islands that'll be moving ever so slowly toward the Gulf, and this will bear watching maybe by the end of or the middle to end of next week to see if there will be any development and maybe affect our region eventually. In the summary, we talked about the isolated severe storm potential that we have across the northwest half of our area this afternoon and evening. Over the same time frame and the same area, there will also be possible flash flooding due to the locally heavy rain amounts. There will be a stalled cold front across the southeast Tuesday into Wednesday that will maintain rain chances through the middle of the week, and then another cold front that will drop into the area on Sunday, possibly stalling Monday, that will result in additional decent rain chances. This ends the weekly weather briefing, and as always, thanks for viewing.